Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You want your hair damp, not soaked. This lets the conditioner spread without diluting it. Once your hair is towel blotted, take 1-2 pumps or a coin-sized amount for short hair and more for longer lengths. Starting at the mid-lengths and working toward the ends reduces heaviness at the roots. Make sure to squeeze product through with your fingers so it coats the strands. This ensures the conditioning agents penetrate where the hair is most porous and damaged. Once the conditioner is applied, use your fingers or a wide-tooth comb to distribute it evenly from mid-length to ends. This prevents tugging. For a quick routine, leave it on 30-60 seconds so emollient smooth cuticles. For deeper repair, hold 3-5 minutes to allow proteins and oils to work. Make sure to massage the lengths gently, target damaged areas, while avoiding excessive scalp rubbing, because buildup at the roots weighs hair down and reduces volume. Rinse thoroughly with cool to lukewarm water until the runoff is clear. Cooler water helps close the cuticle and boost shine. Once done, gently squeeze and pat your hair with a towel. Do not rub because friction causes breakage. Make sure to detangle with a wide-tooth comb while damp, then style as usual. If you notice limpness or residue, try a clarifying shampoo once a week to remove buildup. If frizz or dryness persists, switch to a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.